India on Wednesday reported 2,529 fresh COVID-19 infections after reporting less than 2,000 cases for 2 consecutive days. With this, the total number of COVID-19 infections in the country surged to 4,46,04,463. According to the Union Health Ministry, the active case load saw a decrease with 32,282 active cases in the country at present. The death toll climbed to 5,28,745 with 12 fatalities, which includes 8 deaths reconciled by Kerala, the data updated at 8 am stated. The active cases comprise 0.07% of the total infections, while the national COVID-19 recovery rate increased to 98.74%, the ministry said. A decline of 1,036 cases has been recorded in the active COVID-19 caseload in a span of 24 hours. The daily positivity rate was recorded at 2.07% and the weekly positivity rate at 1.38%, according to the ministry. The number of people who have recuperated from the disease surged to 4,40,43,436, while the case fatality rate was recorded at 1.19%. According to the ministry, 218.84 crore doses of COVID vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Meanwhile, Delhi Disaster Management Authority has lifted the compulsory rule of wearing masks from 30th September. However, it stressed the importance of maintaining vigilance against COVID in light of the upcoming festivals. Authorities in Delhi have also given the nod to dismantle the 3 remaining COVID care centers in the city that had been set up due to a spike in the cases, even as they stressed the need to keep a vigil against the spread of the coronavirus in view of the festival season. There were 11 COVID care centers established in the national capital due to a spike in cases. Of these, 1 was run by the central government and the rest by the Delhi government. All but 3 centers were dismantled as the cases declined.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.